Hello everyone, I am Pammi Bhatia. See, normally we have two types of mindset, positive and negative. This lockdown for few people is stuck at home and for few stay at home. Stuck at home or stay at home. Choice is yours. We have to understand that change is a law of nature. Those who adjust with the change, they come up as a winner. Life offers you different situations and it all depends on how you react and accept that situation. This lockdown has definitely brought changes in our behavior, insecurity, lack of confidence, lack of energy, anxiety, depression, and so on. And on the other hand, people with positive mindset are taking this stay at home as an opportunity to learn something new, pursuing their hobbies, polishing their skills. It all depends on you and your thought process. I would suggest dear parents also to explain to the children about this disease, this pandemic, all real facts, but also tell them not to be a prey to fake information. Stay away from fake information. Do not circulate any fake information. Illness is there, I agree, but precautions and safety measures are also there. Regular sanitization, personal hygiene, wearing masks, cleaning your hands at short intervals, increasing your immunity, keeping yourself fit and active. I think you all are aware about this, all these precautions. But my main motive is not only for physical fitness but also mental fitness. Have a positive mindset. Law of attraction works. Whatever we think continuously happens to us. We attract such vibes. So why can't we be positive? Give positive instructions to your mind. Be positive. Meditation and yoga, these are two wonderful weapons to fight against negativity. Whenever you feel negative, you are feeling low, go for meditation, go for yoga. Fix a routine. Don't be lethargic. We all have 24 hours in a day. Make it or mar it. Choice is yours. This pandemic shall pass and gradually we'll be following the same normal routine. Keeping yourself calm, relaxed and happy during this troubled time is a challenge. Accept it. If you have grudges, if you are anxious, kindly look around. Many of us are not having to eat, a house to protect themselves. Thank Almighty, thank your lucky stars, you have everything. You have everything. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Prayers are very powerful. Pray, meditate. Pray and meditate every day. Help those who are in need. This will give you immense satisfaction. One more suggestion. Avoid close clusters. Social distancing is must. Whenever you are anxious, just pray. Keep yourself calm. Deep breathing. Also keep your family relaxed and happy. Learn few courses at home, my dear students, in your leisure time, because these courses are going to make you independent. This will help you in future. Download Arogya Setu app. Also appreciate Corona warriors. Don't let their efforts go in vain. Pray for them. Once again, my dear students, I request you all to stay safe and stay at home. Cooperate with your parents. Please don't be very demanding. Keep your morale high. You all are in my prayers. God bless you all.